Alright, we're cleaning some carpets in our residence today. As you can see, they're going to need a little bit of work. Most of this is organic because they had pets and kids. We've already done the living room. It was pretty dingy, but it's brightened up quite a bit. It's a commercial glue down. It's brown. There were some water spots here in the hallway because they have an AC unit and a hot water heater in there, and occasionally those back up. But most of the stuff so far is coming out. This bedroom, and we're under some weird lighting in here. The bedroom has some dark stuff on it. I'll show you a little bit. He's just scrubbing the carpet. But anyway, that's what we're up to. And I'm going to show you progress reports as we go along. So stay tuned. Alright, work in progress here in the bedroom. And as you can see, most of the stuff's going to come out. With the pre-spray we've got, and the way this agitates and scrubs the carpet fibers, most stuff can come out. We don't 100% guarantee stain removal, but we get a lot of stains you wouldn't think would come out. They do come out.
Yeah, one thing for people getting into this business, don't be guaranteeing stain removal. What you got to do is you just tell them you do the best you can, but don't guarantee stuff because you can't get out every stain no matter how good you are. So people who are doing this, that are new, don't be guaranteeing stuff you can't guarantee do. Because guaranteed means you're giving their money back, so don't get involved in that kind of a mistake.
Now this room we're cleaning with our neutral pH cleaner. The room in the back we may have to move the pH up a little bit just to get some more aggressive cleaning. But it's not a super aggressive pH like 9.5. But we may do that. We may up the mix a little bit just because that carpet back there is so dirty. And a lot of times we always want to use a neutral cleaner as much as possible, but some carpets are so bad that we have to use something a little bit higher pH. You do run the risk of resoiling at that point if you don't scrub enough of it out. But that's kind of one of those things you're trying to save. These people are trying to save a carpet so they don't have to replace it because they're getting ready to move in here. Actually, they're in the process of moving in. And if we can get the carpet so they can use it for a couple more years and they can put off the expense of replacing carpets for a while, that's what they're hoping to do. So we're going to try to do it even if we have to put the pH a little higher to do it.
You got to do what you got to do.
Yeah.
Whatever it takes to get the job done.
Now, if you see any kind of darker and lighter areas, that's the carpet nap being adjusted by the machine. So
this room's done.
yeah, everything's uniform. I'm going to pause the camera because we got to go get the pre-spray mixed up for that next room. And it's going to take a little while to set up. Let's see. Go back here. This isn't too bad. There's some wear spots in it. But this room back here, we're going to have to do a Hail Mary back here, which just means upping our pH possibly. So we may try it with the actual spray we're using now and see how it goes. Just experiment a little bit, but we'll probably have to do a little bit more on this one with the spray. So stay tuned. Alright, we're back into cleaning. We got our pre-spray down. We step in here.
Now whoever's watching, this is not going to come 100% clean.
No.
We're only trying to salvage it enough that they can use it for a little while. It's real messed up. Did you show the whole carpet?
Yeah. We've seen it a few times here. This spot's nice because it was under a bed. You know, you see in the corner the carpet's been pulled up. Probably a pet did that. But we're working on this, and I may not show the whole thing in one shot because it could take a while. But I'll video quite a bit of it. Now this type of carpet absorbs your pre-spray pretty good, so we may have to respray a little bit as we go. And then when you figure out that doesn't seem to be cleaning that well, it's time to flip the bonnet over, or even take it over to a sink and wash it out, get all the dirt out of it. Once it's full, but it takes a while. I'm going to pause just for a second, and I'll come back on when it gets to some of the darker stuff. Because it's kind of a slow process.
The whole carpet's the darker stuff.
Well,
yeah.
Oh, you're going to hit that right now?
Yeah.
I'll show that, and then I'll pause it and come back. Trying to save battery power. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, we're still working on this. Now, everything in here we decided was organic because they had pets. So we adjusted accordingly.
We decided it, but we're not sure.
Well, it could be anything in there, but it looks like basically pet messes. At least on a carpet in this condition, it's not hard to keep track of where you've been.
No, you can't get lost in this.
Go all the way up to that door, Jay, and I'll shut that door for you.
Hang on. Don't worry about it yet. Let me, hold on, let me get this over here.
Ready?
No, wait, wait till I get out of the area. It won't be long. I don't want to have to move the machine for you to shut the door. I'm in the zone, man.
Mm-hmm.
So hang on. Okay, shut the door. Shut it.
You're in the auto zone?
Yeah. The twilight zone.
Twilight zone, auto zone?
Of the carpet cleaning world. Alright.
Don't forget back there in the corner where the door was.
I gotta say, for what we started out with, it's coming up fairly decent. It's more extraordinary than I was going to give it credit for.
Yeah, we're not going to be able to have, it's going to be a color change though, because they had a bed covering that spot for so many years. But
No.
we'll get the stains come out, but you're still going to have,
The rest of it's not as bad as it was.
no, you have some dye loss in some spots. Did you do that back there? I'll do it.
You betcha.
Yeah, there's a spot right there. Looks kind of like it's been bleached out a little bit. With
That
something.
we can't do nothing with. That's actual bleach or something. It could be resolved.
Yeah.
You guys are watching. Don't put resolve on your carpets. Don't paint with that junk. It'd ought to be wrong to sell to people for carpet cleaning.
Yeah, if you get a pet mess, probably the best thing is just put vinegar on it. And maybe scrub it lightly and gently with a brush and try to soak as much of it up as you can with a towel. But a lot of the cleaners you get at the grocery store for pet messes and stuff like that, they're very high pH, so they may get the pet mess out, but then you could end up having color loss in your carpet. And you'll definitely most likely get a reoccurring stain because the high pH is going to attract dirt. If you do have to use some carpet soap of some sort, then maybe go over that with vinegar. If you have a carpet machine at home or something like that, after you clean your carpet, start going over it a few times with just vinegar and water so you can neutralize your carpets again. You got to get that pH back down or else you're going to have a lot of problems with your carpets resoiling really quickly. I could see from the stuff that's that's coming on the bond, a lot of hair and stuff. Their vacuum isn't able to get deep into these carpet. It's a real dense carpet fiber, and their vacuum isn't getting all the pet hair and stuff out. So there's clumps like there and there. That's getting pulled up from deep down
You
inside.
know what they're saying? Your mouthwash ain't working.
Yeah.
So get another vacuum cleaner.
Well, if you when you have thick carpets like this, you've got to vacuum pretty frequently.
Time to flip the bonnet.
Yeah. Drum roll, please.
For what this carpet was, it actually looks pretty good. I mean, it was real bad. You don't see these bad ones all the time, but boy, when you do, you remember them.
All right, still going. Does the pre-spray drying up?
No, we're trying to touch it.
I don't need to. I'll just take your word for it.
Holy shit. You would not believe how clean this carpet is getting. I am amazed. I'm going to send you before and after pictures. I'll call you back. Bye.
It won't be perfect, but it'll be a lot better than it was.
This carpet's so thick, your vacuum hasn't been getting a lot of the pet hair and stuff. It's being pulled up by the machine. Tomorrow, maybe vacuum the carpets really good. Clean your filters and your vacuum out so it's got maximum suction. And vacuum the carpets again real quick, because you'll pick up a bunch of stuff.
Pets, but
Oh.
my boss had pets for 18 years.
Well, there's 18 years of pet in here.
Wow. This is crazy. I am so impressed right now. I will never call anybody else to do my carpet.
Well,
I'm
that's
not kidding.
nice.
Y'all are amazing.
Well,
Thank you.
this is not going to be perfect, but it's a lot cleaner. I knew I'd clean it up. I just didn't think. I mean, you never know how good they'll turn out. 'Cause there's going to be bad. There's going to be areas that are still going to be bad when we're done.
Did the carpet repair guy get back
No,
with you
y'all,
yet?
like I took before pictures, and I'm going to post the before and after pictures and tag y'all in them.
Okay, we appreciate
And
that.
I'm going to promote. I am an ambassador for the Early Chamber of Commerce. And
Oh,
yeah, and so I know I talked to a lot of different people that own businesses and things
hey
like
Jim, I'm
that.
gonna pause this for a second. All right, we resprayed the carpet, and we're going over it one more time. Just a finishing touch.
It's not perfect.
It's not perfect, but it's a lot better than it
It's
was.
clean enough that it's basically salvaged.
Some of this over here, that's water damage a little bit too, along the baseboard. So this is actually looks like an old converted garage. So that's a low spot over there. But this room came out pretty good. I'll show you the living room one more time. And I didn't show you before we started cleaning too much, but it was a lot dingier looking, and now it's brighter. Of course, it's going to need to be vacuumed again. And then the blue carpet back here in the bedroom. So that's basically how that one went. I hope you enjoyed it, and till next time, thanks for watching.